We are loving these new Charaction cubes and a great collaboration from Rubik's and Bandai. This is going to be a simple solve tutorial, as there's not one on YouTube yet. We have all of our favourite characters here, but let's fast forward through the unboxing. All of the characters are solved in exactly the same way, so I'm just going to show you one today, and I'm going to go with my favourite. The Charaction cube is a very similar design to the Rubik's 2x2 or the Rubik's Mini, just one slight different where the head is all one piece. And it used slightly different moves to be able to solve. But actually, it makes it simpler. There's only 3 moves or 3 algorithms that we're going to need to learn to be able to do that. But don't worry, we'll show you them. We only need to move 2 sides. The front face, clockwise and counterclockwise, and the down face, clockwise and counterclockwise. We will put these moves on the screen so you can see as we go through. So let's mess it up. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is position it. So here's the head that's got 2 pieces together, or the face. So we just position that at the back, so it's pointing away from us. And we leave it here throughout the whole of the moves. Next thing we need to do is find the piece of head that's going to go into here. It's this one here. So all I do is just move it around, so it's there, and then twist, so it's in the right position. What we need to do is we need to twist this bit around. So this is where we follow our first algorithm. So when it's in the right position, I just turn the face, or the front face, clockwise, the down counterclockwise, and then the front clockwise twice. And what that's done is it twisted this piece around. We just need to do that same algorithm again to get it into the right position. So it's the front face, clockwise, down, counterclockwise, and then the front face, clockwise, twice. And as you can see, it's now put it into the right position. Now we've got one of our piece heads in position. We'll keep the front facing away from us, and we need to find our next piece. It's here. I need to get it into here. So all I do is turn the down face so it's pointing at the back on the left, turn the front, turn the down, and then turn the front again. And that puts it into position. But as you can see, it's not in the right position, it just needs twisting. So this is where we use our next algorithm. It's only 7 moves long. Front, counterclockwise, down, clockwise, front, clockwise, down, counterclockwise, front, counterclockwise, down, clockwise, front, clockwise. And as you can see, our head is now complete. If yours isn't, you just need to do that same move again and you'll get yours in the right position. Now we've got the head in the correct position, we just need to sort out the body. The body's just one more algorithm. The body's going to be in one of a few positions, so we're going to have none of our legs pointing down or body pieces in the right position. If it's like this, just point these 2 away from you. If it's like this, just point them so they're facing left and right. If we've got just one of the body positions correct, make sure that that's on the right side, at the front on the right. And if we have 2 pieces pointing correctly, then we just need to make sure that we don't have one on the right hand side. So I'm going to start as if there's 2 pieces in the correct position. Here's the front of my face, so I turn that around so it's pointing away from me again. Because I've got 2, I need to make sure there's not one on the right. If I just rotate this round, this is where I'm going to start. The algorithm is now on the screen, and this is what I'm going to follow. Front face, counterclockwise, down, clockwise, twice, front face, clockwise, down, clockwise, front face, counterclockwise, down, clockwise, and then the front, clockwise. And what's that? I move these pieces around. So now I've got 2. I need to just face those away from me. make sure that the head is still pointing in the same position away. We follow that move again. Front, counterclockwise, down, clockwise twice, front, clockwise, down, clockwise, front, counterclockwise, down, clockwise, front, clockwise. And now we've got one of our positions in the right space. So we just need to do that algorithm one more time. I need it to be on the right hand side. I'll go again. Front, counterclockwise, down, clockwise twice, clockwise, down, clockwise, front, counterclockwise, down, clockwise, front, clockwise. As you can see, that's now completed our cube.
Well done if you've been able to solve your Charaction cube. Once you can solve this little guy, you can have a look at one of the other Rubik's products. Why not check out the link in the comments and set yourself a new challenge?